In this video, I'm gonna talk about how to remove BitLocker in Dell laptop and how you can do this. You can try the same step on any laptops if you need, and this is what we have to do. So the first of all, there are two different ways. First of all, what you need to do is we have to go over here, right click and directly navigate to the settings here. Now from here, go to the privacy and security. From here, click on device encryption. And over here, as you can see, the device encryption, if it is turned on, try turning off this. So in my case, I have already turned it off. So this is how we can just turn off the BitLocker or device encryption from here. So that is the first step. Next one is all about, we have to close this. Another one is all about, we have to use PowerShell. So to do so, we have to go over here, type here for PowerShell, and you have to click on Run as Administrator, and we have to go for Yes. Now we need to give the command here. So the first command, that is manage, you have to type manage. I'll be providing this in the description. Then use hyphen, then type BDE, then you have to put a space, then type hyphen, then you have to type status. When you press enter, what happens is you'll be getting a list where whatever the local disk that you're having, it will be showing you these details. So me, in my case, as you can see, I'm having only one local disk, that is local disk C. So if you're having multiple, you'll be having various, like this kind of a big list will be there. So here for the volume C, it says the protection status is what it says for the BitLocker. It called the protection is off, which means for me, it is actually turned off. But for some users, this might be turned on. If that is the case, you can give the command and try turning it off. To do so, the next thing what you need to do is we need to type here disable. Make sure, or while you are typing, this should be like this. Exactly the same, you have to type it. So what you need to do is we just need to type D should be capital, type disable. Then what you need to do is you have to use hyphen. Then you have to type BitLocker. Make sure B should be capital. Then you have to put a space, then type hyphen. Then you need to type mount point. Then you have to put a space. Then you have to use semicolon. Then type the drive that you're having this. For example, in my case, I'm having C, but for you it might be D or E in which the BitLocker is turned on. You have to type that drive. Then you have to just use the semicolon once again and press enter. Now what you need to do is, once it is successfully done, we have to give one more command to completely turn it off. That is, we need to type manage. Then you have to put not put a space, you have to type hyphen BDE. Then you have to put a space, go for off, then put a space, type the drive. In my case, it is C, so you have to type what is the drive that you're having issue with. Now type it, and once afterwards, you have to use this, once afterwards, you have to press enter. Once it is done, it will be done and it will be totally disabling the BitLocker, and this is what we have to do. While I done in the PowerShell, I got an error because in my case, it is actually turned off. So this is what we have to do, and I'll see you in the next video. That's it. Bye.